After you watch this video, you know all the secrets the pros are using to make Afro House. The final result will sound something like this. We're gonna start off with a vocal. There's a typical style of vocals the pros are using in their hit songs. Like for example, this one.
I'm feeling I just wanna taste. Got the feeling you don't wanna wait.
Or this one. Let's straight dive into it. I already got a vocal loaded up from the Ngoma sample pack. It got 2 full acapellas in there and a lot of African 8-bar vocals. It's the perfect one to make Afro House. So our vocal sounds like this.
I feel it coming. Girl, I want your body, nah, put it all on me.
When comparing it to the vocals we heard previously, it checks all the boxes to become a smash hit. So let's keep it like this. Let's continue with the Afro House piano. So I got a piano loaded up. It's a free one from Labs. It's a really solid piano. So let's continue with the chord progression. The vocal is in A minor, so let's start off on the root note. Right here. Actually 1 octave below. Then go down to the 7th note of the scale and the 4th. And then finish it on the 6th. Actually, let's listen to it in context with the vocal.
I feel it coming. Girl, I want your body, nah, put
Yeah,
it
that
all
works.
on me. You know you my heart desire.
So let's turn it into a full chord. So this will be the first one. Altogether sounding like this. Which is dope, but we need to make it a bit more interesting. So first, let's switch up the rhythm right here. Like this. And spread out the chords some more. And make it a bit more melodic like this. Then we're gonna do the same with the other ones. Again at the same spot right here. And spread out the other one like this. And I think we can drop down the root notes an octave. Just like this, and see how it sounds together with the vocal.
I feel it coming. Girl, I want your body, nah, put it all on me. You know you my heart desire.
Yeah, that works perfectly. So this will be our Afro House piano. Now we need to humanize it some more, so press Alt S to strum it. And Alt R to randomize the velocity. These 2 things will just make it a bit more human. So this will be our foundation with the piano. Now we're gonna layer it with a chord sound, so open up a new serum and pick a preset from the pack. Let's use this one. Something like this and just copy it over. Yeah, that's perfect. Just fixes up the sound a bit more, so this will be our melodic foundation. So now we're gonna continue with a kick and bass. So pick a kick from the Ngoma pack. Just drop it in and loop it. We'll be using this part of the vocal right here. Sounding like this. And then just add in a new serum. Pick a Reese bass from the sample pack. Actually this saw Reese really does the job, so keep it like this and drop in the chords we made earlier. So it's this progression. And mix it. First of course the sidechain. Then add some distortion to thicken up the sound a bit more. And dip some of the high ends around here. Something like this. Just drop down the volume of the kick a little bit and mix it together on the bass channel to glue them some more together with compression. And soft clipping. So altogether the kick and bass sounds like this. So now we're gonna dive into the Afro House percussions. I got a few percussions loaded up from the Ngoma pack. These ones, so just start off with the basic drums. Like this. And then layer it with the other percussions. And mix it. First lower down the volumes. And then add some panning to the left and right. Then I also got this hi-hat loaded up. Place it right at the offbeat. Just like this. Getting a little groove going on. Then I run them all to the same channel. First got rid of some low end. Compress them together. And put some room reverb on it to glue them a bit more together. So that will be our foundation. Now we're gonna layer it with some other percussion loops from the pack. So first a shaker loop. And just drop down the volume. Layer it with another one. Again at a low volume. Then head over to the percussion loops. And then stack it with another one. Yeah, that's solid. Low volume. And load it to the percussion channel. And then to finish off the percussion, I added a tambourine loop. And some more shakers. Sounding like this. It's a really basic groove, but it really gets the job done. So then the only thing that's left to do is add some fills to it. Let's use this one. It's not too heavy because all the drums aren't that heavy. Yeah, just like this. So altogether what we got so far sounds like this. We almost got all the elements ready, so now we're gonna dive in the lead sounds. Compared to the pros, they are using these kind of leads. We're gonna continue it in the serum and pick a similar lead preset to the examples. Let's go for this one. I really like how this one sounds, so start off on the root note. And then go up to the third. And keep it like this. Maybe you can double the last one. And mix it. First some reverb. Remove the low end. Bit of OTT. Make it stereo. And add some reverb and delay. Together with a sidechain. And use it in the second part of the drop when the vocal is not playing. So just copy over this section. Sounding like this. Yeah, that's solid. Also make sure to copy over the chords we made earlier. Sounds a bit too empty right now. Yeah, that's better. So then just copy over the serum with the same mixing and drop in another lead sound. Let's go for this one. And drop in a 1/16 rhythm. Like this. Then press Alt Q to quantize it. Something like this. Sounds a bit too weird right now, so yeah, this one works better. that's solid. So now it's only a matter of arranging the track. So I just quickly arranged the track. It sounds way bigger right now, but it's just a simple progress by copying over almost all of the drums, except for this one, the main drums. I just used a stripped down version together with the bass and drum fills. And I used this ambience in the beginning of the track together with this rhythmic kalimba sound. Nothing too special. Then copying over the synths to this part, the verse. Need to tweak the piano. Just lower down the volume and increase the volume of the vocal a bit more. Just like this. And I also added some more effects just to smooth up the progression a little bit. Just like this. And I finished off the track with these ad-libs on top of the chords. Really like how melodic it feels. So that's how you create an Afro House production. I think the final result turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about this in the comments. Besides it, if you liked the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.